Good morning children. Today we are going to see an interesting topic in multiplication. In grade 4 we have learned 3-digit and 4-digit multiplication. 3-digit by 2-digit and 4-digit by 2-digit multiplication we have seen. Today we are going to see 5-digit by 2-digit multiplication. Before that I want to ask you, what is mean by multiplication? Multiplication is repeated addition. Let us consider an example. 5 multiplied by 6. 5 multiplied by 6. So, I am going to add 5 6 times. So, 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5, 5, 5. So, what is the answer? So, the answer is 30. When you multiply 5 into 6, the answer is 30. I said that we are adding 5 6 times. Now, this 5 is called as multiplicand and 6 is called as multiplier, and this 30, the answer is called as the product. This is called as a product. So, when we are multiplying these 5 into 6, we get the result as the product. So, using this concept, we are now going to multiply 5-digit number by 2-digit number. Let us consider an example. 72,951 multiplied by 54. So, this is 5-digit number and this is 2-digit number. This is multiplicand and this is multiplier. So, we are going to multiply these two numbers. So, I am going to take it vertically. 72,951 multiplied by 54. 5 and 4. Right. How will I multiply this? This is ones place, tens place, 100, 1000, 10,000. I may get extra 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh. Right. Multiply. See, here this is called as multiplicand and this is multiplier, as I said earlier. Isn't it? Now, this multiplier has got 2 digits, that is ones place and tens place. I have to take, first and foremost, I have to take the ones place and multiply entire multiplicand. So, I will get what I have to do, 72,951 multiplied by 4. So, I will get 4 ones are 4, 4 fives are 20, 2, 0, 4 nines are 36, 36 plus 2, 38, 3, 8, 4 twos are 8, 8 plus 3, 11, 4 sevens are 28, 28 plus 1, 29, so 2, right. So, I have written this way. Next, I am going to multiply with tens place, right? So, for that I will multiply this by 50. So, in ones place, I am not going to put any number. I will put 0 because this is I am multiplying with tens place. I have to put in the ones place 0 and start the multiplication. 5 into 1, 5, 5 5s are 25, 2, 5, 5 nines are 45, 45 plus 2, 47, 4, 7, 5 twos are 10, 10 plus 4, 14, 1 carry, 5 sevens are 35, 35 plus 1, 36. Now I am going to add these two numbers. So 4 plus 0, 4, 0 plus 5, 5, 8 plus 5, 13, 3, 1 carry, 7 plus 1 plus 1, 9, 9 plus 4, 13, 1 carry, 6 plus 2 plus 1, 9 and then 3. So this is called as the product. Right. Therefore our answer is 72,951 multiplied by 54 is equal to 39,39,354. Isn't it? This way we have multiplied 5-digit number by a 2-digit number. The same method can be done using another multiplication method called as lattice method. Let us see, it is there in your e-book grade 4. You can refer in that book also. Let us see the same multiplication how we are going to do. See, 72,951 multiplied by 54. I have taken the multiplier vertically. So I am going to multiply these numbers. But before that, I am going to put a cross diagonal here. So, I am going to multiply here. 5 sevens are 35. 35 I am writing like here 3 and here 5. 5 twos are 10. 9 fives are 45. 5 fives are 25. 5 ones are, now 5 ones are 5, but I am writing it as 0, 5. Okay. Next 4 sevens are 28. 4 twos are 0, 8. 4 nines are 36. 4 fives are 20. And 4 ones are 0, 1. Now, sorry, 4 ones are 0, 4. Now, we are going to add diagonally. How we are going to add? We are going to add diagonally. See, this is one diagonal, second, third and so on. Isn't it? So, here you have 4, add diagonally. 4, 5 plus 0 plus 0 is 5, 6 plus 2, 8, 8 plus 5, 13, 1 carry, 8 plus 2, 10, 10 plus 8, 18 plus 1, 19, 1 carry, 8 plus 4, 12 plus 1, 13, 1 carry, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and then 3. So, the same result what we got in the last time, we got this time also the same result. This is called as lattice method of multiplication. Okay. Now, let us see a word problem of 5-digit by 2-digit multiplication. I am writing the question here. Ananya saves rupees 12,575 in a month. Find her total savings in a year. savings of her in a year. So there is the multiplicand is given, but the multiplier is not given. We have to identify, we have to take the multiplier by the given clue. So how will you find the solution? We know that 1 year is equal to 12 months, isn't it? 12 months. Now we got the multiplier. So in words we will write amount saved in a month is equal to rupees 12,575. So amount saved in a year is equal to rupees 12,575 multiplied by 12. So again this is 5 digit by 2 digit multiplication. You can multiply and get the answer as rupees 1,50,900. So 12,575 multiplied by 12. So 1 space, 2 5s are 10, 1 carry, 2 7s are 14 plus 1, 15, 1 carry, 2 5s are 10 plus 1, 11, 1 carry, 2 2s are 4 plus 1, 5, 2 1s are 2. Again 0 here. Next tens place, 1 5s are same number, 1 5s are 5, 1 7s are 7, 1 5s are 5, 1 2s are 2, 1 1s are 1. We are going to add it. 0, 5 plus 5, 10, 1 carry, 7, 8, 9, 5 plus 5, 10, 1 carry, 5, 1. So 1,50,900. What is the answer? Ananya's total savings in a year is rupees 1,50,900. So this way we have solved the word problem of 5 digit by 2 digit number. So what we have learned today, what is meant by multiplication? It is nothing but the repeated addition, and then we have learned multiplication of 5 digit by 2 digit number, and then we have learned the lattice method, and then solve the word problem.